24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Heavy and light. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. Our books are based upon CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And the students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of heavy and light. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Focus on the learning by doing, as students learn more when they are involved in the task assigned to them. Learning objectives. To enable the students to compare objects based on their masses. To enable them to differentiate between heavy and light. To make the children understand that small objects can be heavy, involve them in activities like lifting a small stone that can be heavy. Show the relationship between weight and size. Tell the children that they will be comparing heavy and light objects. Tell them that we compare heavy and light objects by comparing their weights. To introduce the concept of heavy and light, simply practice comparing weights by holding different objects in your hands. Of course, some objects are a little too heavy to actually pick up. Place a few books inside a box or a gift bag. Lift the box or the bag and tell the children that it is heavy. Encourage the children to take turn lifting the bag. Use the box or a bag to carry the books to your reading corner and look at them with your group. At the end of this activity, encourage the children to lift the box or the bag once more. They will be surprised to see how light it is when empty. Play a game with the children. Give 2 baskets to the students and display on the table different objects. Make sure that you have a good variety of objects. You should have small things that are heavy, like a paperweight, and large things that are light, like a beach ball. It is important to make sure that children do not confuse big and small with heavy and light. Make the students sort the objects into 2 baskets, placing all the light objects in one and all the heavy objects in the other. At the end, tell the students to justify the classification of objects that you would have sorted differently than they did. Correct their logic if it is wrong. Ask them to open textbooks and color the heavier objects. Reinforcement worksheet for the concept of heavy and light can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.